So there are lots of different things that you can do with a drone. On a construction site in particular, I would say the main thing that I do are progress photos and videos. We'll use those for owner updates and internal updates. Um, we'll also use them to track material, lay down yard usage, and just overall progress of the job site and the built condition. Other uses are 2D mapping. So we'll do what's called like an orthomosaic map, where the drone will fly in an autonomous flight path and then collect the data and then stitch together the photos in sequence to create a 2D map essentially. So you think like Google Earth or Google Maps, Apple Maps, similar to that, but just in a localized area to your job site. You can also use a drone to generate existing topos as well. And so those are some of the uses that we use the drones for.